Hello everybody, welcome to VINCAR's Room channel. He's Ben, I'm Dave, and today we feature the new generation of Mercedes' exciting CLA Coupe. Let's go! The first generation CLA was launched in 2013 and was an instant success for Mercedes-Benz. Its attractively sleek profile and relatively affordable price meant that Mercedes would end up selling about 750,000 units of the first generation. The 2019 CLA has stepped things up in terms of comfort and driving dynamics. A 1.3-litre engine powers the CLA 180 you see here. Although smaller in size compared to its predecessor, it has more power and the dynamic drive selector really makes the most of what the engine can offer. And we think it's one of the most attractive subcompact cars available at this moment. The new slim headlights and taillights follow the design trend of the newest cars from Mercedes. Along with the new A-Class, it's also the first time adaptive multi-beam LED headlamps are made available for Mercedes' subcompact range. The car retains its sleek side profile despite having grown in all dimensions. This means that passengers fare slightly better on the inside as well. And the inside is really where the biggest changes can be seen. Open the doors and you're greeted by a truly alluring interior. The execution of this new interior in the CLA just takes it to the next level. Mercedes' new MBUX touchscreen interface takes center stage and adds a new level of convenience for the driver. Other nice touches include the striking 64-color ambient lighting and wireless charging tray for your mobile phones. Autonomous emergency braking and active steering assist also add an additional safety net to an already very safe car. The 2019 Mercedes CLA has won our hearts for having the right combination of good looks both inside and out. Come on down to our showroom at 24 Leng Road for a closer look. Let our relationship managers show you around the car and I'm sure you'll agree. Thank you for watching VINCAR's Room channel and we'll see you next time.